I'm Commander Kartik, retired, Senior Vice President of Sunlux Technovations in Bangalore. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. I'll introduce you to a product which Sunlux Technovations makes. It's called the wall position indicators, or the VPIs, also known in certain places as wall position signalizers, or VPS. What it does is basically it gives me a remote indication of the wall's position, whether it is open or shut. The walls can be operated hydraulically, pneumatically, motorized, or even manually operated walls. And the wall opening and shutting can be anything, which is could be say 40 mm or say 80 mm. But finally, it is resolved into 4 mm motion between an open and a shut position. Now, this is an indigenized product which has been there, and a lot of improvements, around about 42 improvements have been done into the old product to ensure that the product is very reliable and does not, it's fit and forget kind of a equipment which is there, and very, very easily maintainable, so that the replacement is much more easier, so the downtime remains less. Sunlux Technovations is a Bangalore-based company which is highly innovative and works in the field of defense, then railways, ISRO, and also industry. A lot of Industry 4.0 we do. We do quite a lot of equipment, from mechanical to mechatronics to electronics to electromechanical, and a lot of software related products which we sell, products and services which we do. Now, coming about Sunlux was established as Technologies in 1989 itself by Mr. Ram Kerur, who is the managing director. But we changed over the name to Sunlux Technovations in 2014 to take advantage of the startup culture, and also are changing focus from technologies to innovation with technology. So that's why it's Technovations.